Because 26 means I get another chance. Reset, reset, reset. Lord, I'm starting where I left off. Reset. I ain't got to start all over again. I can pick up where I left off because God will reset your situation. Is there anybody who owes him a thank you? Because he's able to reset a situation. He can reset a relationship. He can reset a fracture in a family. He can reset a ruptured life. He's able to do it. And if you believe he can do it, why don't you join me and tell him thank you?